Hi guys, today we'll be talking about this Ford F350. I'll show you how to change fuel filter. The fuel filter is located right in here. This one. This is, I believe, oil filter, and that's fuel filter. So let's get started. So to loosen that, you can either use, I believe this is half inch drive. You can use extension, but someone cracked mine right there, so I'm gonna use 24mm socket. Not sure what's it's in standard, but in metric it's 24, and it fits, and it spins. Install your new filter, the hollow side, which is this way down. Slide it in, just move it around. So it came in the kit. Also with the other filter that is gonna go underneath the car. Put this one aside for now. If you're changing this one first, so you have two O-rings in there. Grab the smaller one. Take your cap. Grab a special tool to remove the gasket. O-ring, I mean. Or you can grab a flathead screwdriver. Remove it. Wipe it. Install a new gasket. Make sure it goes in the groove. Once it's in the groove, you can now install it. So once you snugged it, make sure you don't over tighten it, and it shows the torque, what's supposed to be on it if you want to torque it. This one's saying 14 Nm. I think it's nitric meter or something. So once you're done with that, this is ready. Then now we're gonna work on the bottom, on the bigger filter. So if you wondering where I got this filter, I got it Auto Parts or O'Reilly's, but I'm sure they sell them at a different auto parts store. So I'm under the car right now. So this is the driver wheel, looking from the back. That's the passenger, and the other fuel filter is right in here, right there. It's right in there. So what I noticed, what works, I have a 36mm. If you don't have that tool, you can also go to any auto parts store and you can grab a different tool. It looks like this. You can get them in your auto parts store, I believe. Make sure you get the right one so it fits yours. And what you can do is go in here, grab it, and then spin it this way, counterclockwise. Or you can get it from here as well. That's how you use this tool. It's probably harder to use this tool, but if you have no other choice, then you're gonna have to use this tool and do the counterclockwise. But since I have a 36mm, plug in here. And before you do that, make sure you have a pan underneath to catch some fuel. Another way to drain it, there's like a drainage bowl right in there. I believe it's like a hex 6mm. So you loosen that and you can drain it, or you can just put a pan underneath and drain it whilst you take the fuel filter out. Also, what you can do is use extension, so it's easier to work on. Grab a new filter. Looks like this. Try to be careful so to make it dirty or too dirty. Make sure you wipe this and put a new O-ring like I showed you. And also you can put the filter on here and then put it with the filter. But I put my filters first, and now I'm gonna put the cover on. So tighten it. It says 25 Nm. I believe it's nitric meters. Tighten into the spec, and you can look it up. What's its foot-pounds? So tighten it to what it says on the cap or in your owner manual, and you're pretty much done. And if you have any other questions, comment below. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one.